Lightning protection systems for process manufacturing. It's a new day in the world of process manufacturing, primarily due to the advent of new methodologies, equipment and materials. With the changes in facilities themselves, the new and focused attention is warranted. Add in the projected increase in lightning storms, the strength of those storms, as well as the fact that storms are influencing situations in locations where they once were rarely seen. The industry needs new solutions. Lightning protection systems can help us prevent the damaging and expensive effects of lightning storms. A properly designed, installed and maintained lightning protection system may be just the ticket to help ensure long-term reliability and valuable uptime. That is because while process manufacturing facilities and their structures may remain relatively immune to the ravages of lightning, it is the systems which monitor and control those facilities that any direct or nearby lightning strike creates secondary effect and electromagnetic pulse (EMP) effect. A secondary effect is the inrush of surrounding ground charge towards the point of a strike. EMP is a pulse radiating outward from the current flow in both the lightning channel and the conductor system. Either of these effects can induce current flow in plant wiring and structural components more than capable of causing damage, interruptions and outages up to and including a plant emergency shutdown. Indeed, we have seen EMP from a lightning strike induce sufficient energy into steel components to trigger arcing and ignition of gas half a mile away from them. By installing LEC's patented dissipation array system, you can limit the buildup of static charge on the area of protection and discourage secondary and EMP effect, damage to equipment and disruptions in operations caused by direct or nearby lightning strikes, thereby enhancing site reliability. Our designs integrate existing structures or building plans to tailor a fully comprehensive lightning protection system, such as structural protection, surge protection, electronic systems protection, and fully coordinated systems that combine both. Fortunately, our lightning protection systems are space-saving and easy to install. They meet all requirements for risk minimization, increased efficiency, and future-proofing. Feel free to contact LEC technical team for a consultation, site survey, or inspection of your facility. Are you Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@lecglobal.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. Website: https://www.lightningprotection.com. Facebook: https://www.facebook.com/lightning-eliminators. https://twitter.com/lightningprotect. LinkedIn: https://www.linkedin.com/company/206536?drk=Taya. YouTube: https://www.youtube.com/user/lightning-eliminators.